Disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial, investment, tax, or legal advice, and I am not a licensed financial advisor. The opinions shared in this video are my own and are based on my personal investing journey and experiences. Always do your own research and consider consulting a qualified financial professional before making any investment decisions. Investing involves risk. The value of investments can go up or down and could lose some or all of your invested principal. Past performance does not guarantee or predict future results. Nothing in this video should be interpreted as recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any security. You are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Hello and welcome to Always Be Investing. Today is July 30th, 2026, Day 17. Microsoft soared. The market rebounded. Beginner lesson: a broad index fund already owns the big winners without needing to predict them first. Microsoft, Meta, you already own it. Why VTI keeps you covered. Always be investing. Today invested, $100. Total invested, $1,700. Trading day, 17. What happened today? Tech led a big rebound after Microsoft's earning report. S&P 500, plus 1.66%. NASDAQ, plus 2.78%. Dow, plus 613 points. Microsoft, plus 15.5%. Chip index, plus 8.2%. The market can flip fast. Wednesday was rough. Thursday bounced hard. That is why reacting to one bad day can be dangerous for long-term investors. Beginner lesson: a giant company can move the whole index. One huge stock, like Microsoft, can lift the whole market. S&P 500, NASDAQ, VTI. Key idea: the index is not magic. It is a basket of companies, and the largest names can carry a lot of weight. Why Microsoft mattered: investors got proof that cloud and AI spending may be paying off. Cloud demand stayed strong. Azure growth expectations beat estimates. AI spending looked useful. Investors saw a clearer path from spending to future profits. Cash generation reassured investors. The business still looked financially strong. Record day: $450 billion added in market value in one day. The largest single-day gain reported by Reuters. Not all big tech was the same. Microsoft jumped, Meta fell. Same theme, different result. Microsoft, plus 15.5%. Investors like the cloud and AI outlook. Meta, minus 9%. Investors worried about heavy AI costs and lower cash flow. Lesson: AI is not a guarantee. Company results still matter. Why this matters for VTI. VTI does not need to pick which company wins today. Technology, healthcare, industrials, financials, energy, consumer staples, small caps, large caps. VTI equals built-in winner coverage. What not to overreact to. A huge day is exciting. It is not a full investing plan. Do not chase one stock after it already jumped. Do not assume every AI company will rise next. Do not think one green day means every day will be green. The goal is not excitement. The goal is consistency. The Fed still matters. Rates did not disappear just because Microsoft had a great day. Fed held rates. Investors are still watching inflation and future rate moves. Earnings can dominate one day, but interest rates, inflation, profits, and the economy all matter over time. Beginner takeaway: daily news moves prices. Long-term results come from businesses growing over time. The ABI habit. Yesterday was fear. Today was excitement. The plan did not change. Wednesday, market fell. Fear. Thursday, market rebounded. Excitement. Plan? Buy VTI. Same habit. This is why consistency matters. You cannot know which day the rebound will arrive. Day 17. Today's $100 goes into VTI. Today invested $100. Total invested $1,700. Trading day 17. Microsoft soared. Tech rallied. The plan stayed boring. And boring is the point. Learn the news, understand the lesson, keep investing. Follow the journey. Always be investing. $100 into VTI every trading day. Beginner lessons from real market news. We're on YouTube, X, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe, learn, invest, repeat. Day 17 is complete. I'll see you tomorrow.